Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. And I'm here for my Walmart haul for you guys. So listen, my weekend bonus popped up like super late yesterday. I didn't think I was even gonna get one. I was like, they gave me the shaft with the big bonus, and now they about to give me the shaft with the weekend. But I did get one. I need 18 rebates for $5, y'all. I do not know if I'm gonna be able to pull this off. I have no idea. I don't know if the deals are there for me, but we're gonna see. I did post a video talking about, more in depth, talking about the Walmart rewards, Walmart cash, how to use Walmart Pay. Should be very informative. So if you haven't checked that video out, it was the last video that I posted. I think that's basically it. I'm gonna try to make this super quick. Josiah gets out of school early this whole entire week, so I am gonna be rushing for the most part. Other than that, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as well, so you never miss out. So without further ado, let's head into Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals we can grab this week. If you want to see what your girl got, keep on watching. So this next deal is on the Ritz. It's on the toasted chips. This deal I got from Sister Saving You Cents. It is double attaching with two different offers. One is $2 when you buy two, and one is $125 with a limit of 5. So they're priced at $3.92. We're gonna go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. We'll end up paying $7.84, but then we're gonna get back a total of $3.25 on Ibotta, right? Bringing these down to only $2.84 for both of them, or $1.42 each. Because why not? It's only 50 cents. So we're gonna grab the mac and cheese, Wakanda Forever. One priced at $1, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making that only 50 cents. Of course, we're grabbing the cup of noodle stir fry again, priced at $1.12, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making this only 62 cents. Really quick, you guys, I was grabbing other things I needed for at home, and I grabbed these sharp cheddar cheese. They're like little wedges or whatever. It's at the $3.62, you guys. But literally, it's scanned for 86 cents at the checkout, you guys. So I was like, ooh, I'm gonna grab the last few they have up here. Let me show you the UPC really quick so you can check your area. Because I was like, OMG. And I eat these with like pepperoni and stuff as like a snack. And now I'm gonna get 3 bags for like less than the price of one of them, which is awesome. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna grab is the Sara Lee Honey Ham. This popped up on checkout 51 today, and it's $2.50 back. Doesn't say a size or anything like that. And so I'm just gonna get like literally a few slices and make it a money maker. So I literally just got like 3 slices, y'all. I know it's probably 1 sandwich, maybe 2. So it was $1.36, getting back $2.50 on checkout 51. Hopefully we'll make this like $1.14 money maker. So I figured, hey, why not? I'm gonna be grabbing the Minute Maid again. These are priced at $1.53. You're gonna end up paying $3.06 and then getting back $2.50 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are to-da. Now I think I did this on Swagbucks last time, yes, and they only gave me $1 back, so I had to put a ticket in, and they did correct that. So just a heads up on that. Making these only 28 cents each. And then the Snapple, these are priced at $1.45. Wasn't these like $1 before at one time? They're $1.45. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta makes that 95 cents. Next deal is on the Ferrero Rocher bars. They're priced at $3.18. We have an offer on Shopkick for 750 kicks for one, which is $3, with a limit of 3 as well per receipt. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of these. It'll make them 18 cents each, which is definitely not bad. This next deal is going to be on the Airhead Extremes. This is on the 4.5. It is priced at $2.08. We're going to grab 2 of these. We'll end up paying $4.16 out of pocket. But we're going to get back $1.75 for 2 on Ibotta. There's also 100 kicks on Shopkick, which is 40 cents. And then $2 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da, bringing this down to only 1 cent, which is practically free, right? And that's free, right? And so yeah, is the Icelandic Provisions yogurt. They literally only have 1 left, y'all. It's priced at $1.76. Ibotta's giving you back $1, bringing that down to only 76 cents. Next up is the Polar Seltzer. These are priced at 98 cents. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $1.96 and get back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta, making these only 48 cents each. All right, so this next deal was on the Airwick Essential Mist. The pumpkin spice one and the lavender one is priced at $5.98, and then Ibotta's giving you back $6. So that's a 2-cent moneymaker for that, which is an awesome deal. These little array treats work for a dog treat offer on Ibotta for 10 cents. I'm making these only 90 cents. This one is priced at 96 cents. And this one works for the dog food offer, making that only 86 cents. I was looking for one that might attach to the treat and the dog food, but no. Okay, I'm just checking the clearance section over here, and I found another Zyrtec for $4.50. Gonna get back $4 on Swagbucks. It's also on my points at inbox dollars as well. I believe it's on Shop Me and Alexa too. Making this only 50 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. I'm also gonna grab the Unisum again. It's on clearance for $2.36. Getting back 2 makes those 36 cents. Some of this stuff, y'all, I noticed that they increased the prices. Like those, what are those, Tresemes? Used to be $3. I want to say maybe $3.50. Now they're regular price. There was something else over here that they pushed the price back up on as well. But yeah, it's like on clearance. Like, why would you come and raise the prices on clearance stuff? Unless you clearly don't want to get rid of it. Alright, so this next deal is going to be on the Dove Men Care. So 2-on-1, price at $4.98. We're going to grab one of these. We'll be getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Swagbucks as well. And then 275 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.10, bringing this down to only 88 cents. Alright, next up is the Axe. This is on the extra large ones. They're priced at $6.88. So you're going to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll be paying $13.76, getting back $6 on Ibotta. I'm also getting back $7.50 on inbox dollars as well, bringing these down to only 13 cents. This next set of deals is on the Colgate. So I don't have this offer available on Ibotta anymore. It's a one and done. I've already done it. But I did still have them available for Walmart cash. So I figured, hey, why not? It's still an awesome deal, right? And that's one thing I do like about the Walmart rewards program, is that if it's not available on Ibotta and it is on the rewards for Walmart, you can still do the deal again. So I grabbed one of each. The plaque is priced at $8.36. Getting back $4 Walmart cash and then $4 on inbox dollars makes that 36 cents. The renewal is priced at $7.32, getting back $3 Walmart cash and $3 on inbox dollars. There's also an offer on Fetch Reward for $1.50 back when you spend $15 in Colgate. So it'll make that one an 18-cent moneymaker. So both products less than a quarter is not a bad deal. Now for this deal, I did do this deal yesterday and totally forgot to scan the QR code. But I did use the card that was linked to my Walmart account, and I actually still got it. So just a heads up on that, I did get it even though I didn't actually do the whole scan the QR code process, and so just a heads up on that. Okay, so I know that I'm not the only one that was super stoked when this popped back up on Ibotta. It's on the Inkbox temporary tattoos. They are priced at $9.98. Ibotta's giving you back $9.98, making this absolutely free. Just make sure you scan them prior to purchase because only some of them are working for that rebate. Alright guys, so this next deal is on the Pantene. It's on the Miracle Moisture Boost. These are the trial size ones. They're priced at $2.97. Okay, so it's the shampoo one that's actually working for the rebate on Ibotta. So you're going to buy 2 of them at a price of $5.96. And you're going to get back $5 on Ibotta, making it 96 cents for both of them, which is definitely... Okay, the other item that I'm going to be grabbing over here is the Nexus, the little trial size one. This is the, what is it? The conditioner one. It's priced at $5 and you're getting back 4 on Ibotta, bringing that down to only $8. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out pretty good. I only used coupons on the CoverGirl, and I know one of you guys commented that that Walmart actually changed the verbiage in their policy as far as coupons and price matching. I had no clue, so thank you. But I have still been able to price match and use coupons. I did today On the CoverGirl, I just realized I did not record that part, but I did price match these for $3.51. I used a $3 coupon from our inserts. I paid 51 cents, and then I got back $2 for each on Ibotta. So make those like a $1.49 moneymaker. You have an emoji for me?
Yeah. Clown emoji.
A cloud emoji?
Clown emoji.
A clown emoji. Okay, if you get to this point in the video, you guys, I would love to see, me and Josiah would love to see some clown emojis. It's so funny. He's so cute. He kind of snuck over here to kind of tell me what his emoji was. And he's in there playing his game. So please excuse the little guy who's being his little human self. And his birthday's coming up, you guys. It's on the 10th. Both my Libra boys. And David's on the 16th. So their birthdays are like literally a week apart. And so Josiah's about to be 8. And David is about to be 17. So yeah, both my Libra boys. And so, but yeah, so I was able to price match and use coupon with that. Other than that, what else? Now there are some things here, y'all, I could have done without, like this finish. I saw the offer on my Swagbucks, but it was only for, I think, certain stores. So I couldn't even get back the $1 there, and I don't think I have this on Alexa. So it made those $2.44 each. Now I debated if I should keep them or not, but I figured I could at least tell them for that to get that back rather than me returning stuff. And I hate to return things if I don't have to. And so I went ahead and kept those. If I wouldn't have gotten those, this would have been a moneymaker here, y'all. But it was a net cost for me. I could have did without the Ritz. Really, truly could have. But I wanted them. And so I got them. And so, yeah, those are the two things that I kind of could have did without. All right. What else did I want to mention real quick? Oh, yeah. Okay, so as far as returns. Okay, so when you purchase something and you pay with Walmart cash and you return it, it actually goes back to your Walmart account as Walmart cash pretty much immediately. I tried it today and it went straight back to my Walmart app for under Walmart cash. So just a heads up on that. What else? Real quick. One of you guys was asking as far as Walmart rewards and Ibotta, since they are the same, if you happen to activate both offers and you go make that purchase, which one are you going to get first? I feel like if you're using Walmart Pay, then it's gonna be Walmart, because it's that one is immediate. With me lately, Ibotta has been taking a lot longer. Not just that, but Ibotta is based on when you actually submit your receipt. So I would say that you're gonna get the Walmart Pay first, because that one again is immediate. As soon as you pay for it, it goes through. With Ibotta, yeah, it has to process, and again, it's based on when you submit the receipt. All right. Other than that, I think those are the only major questions that I got. I know one of you guys did say that, or a couple of you guys actually said that in self-checkout, they can reprint a receipt for you. When I was there today, the cashiers there were clueless. So, and the last time that I actually had to have a receipt reprinted, I had to go to customer service, and it was this kind of a big ordeal of them how to figure out how to do it. They did it, but it was like printed on like a regular sheet of paper. And so I'm not sure if it's different now because they have a new system. But today, the cashiers and self-checkout had no clue. And so as far as everything that you see here, everything worked out good. I only got one gift card today. I'll insert a clip of how to do that, because some of you guys are asking me how do you cash out with the Walmart gift card. You just go to cash out, you click gift card, and you choose your gift card, and you pick your denomination, and you click accept or whatever it is. And they basically, your gift card pops right up. I usually will just screenshot it, and yeah, pretty easy. And it does count towards bonuses, which is awesome. So I did get one of those today. Other than that, you guys, what else? Oh, this worked out. Just letting you know. Thanks, Cynthia. I keep on couponing because that worked out. They made it like $1.82 moneymaker, which is awesome. What else? And I did this deal twice because I was like, why not? The Colgates were both for Walmart cash. Those are the only Walmart cash deals that I did today. And other than that, that's basically it. So everything you see here retails $139.72. Again, I had $12 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $127.72. And then we got back $62.73 from Ibotta. Shopkick is $26.10. Checkout 51 was $2.50. Oh, I forgot the deli. I forgot the Sara Lee. I did get the Sara Lee. It was $136. I did get back $2.50 on checkout 51, which is awesome. And I should have did it on my other account, but I didn't because I was trying to wait for it to process first to see what was going to happen. But that did go through, and it made that like $1.41 moneymaker, I want to say, for the Sara Lee. And I only got a couple slices. I mean, you could literally get as much as you want, but I got as little as I needed to make it a moneymaker. Referral was $1.50. Swagbucks was $10.50. Walmart cash is $7, and I've already used that. And then inbox dollars was $14.50. So everything worked out really good as far as today. We get back a total of $124.83. So it nets everything you see here at $2.89. Again, it would have been a moneymaker if I hadn't got the finish or the rest, but those are two things I went ahead and just got anyways. Considering our last haul was like a $54 moneymaker, so to pay $3 for this, and that was like over $50 moneymaker, I'm cool with this. Other than that, nothing else I can add. I hope you guys are having the most amazing day night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.